इसका यशी भी लग रहा है। यशी बॉय।
So So as you can see the clouds, it has rained a lot in the night. And welcome to the channel everybody. I hope everyone is doing great, fine and well. So today is the 7th of June and many of the things are going to open in Mumbai from today. Like gyms and restaurants are reopening, so yeah, let's hope for the best. And I really like the lighting when this kind of a weather is there. Like the whole, you can see that it's looking so beautiful. So this kind of weather, the lighting is so good that no color degradation is necessary. And I'm really loving this kind of weather. It's always better than the summer. Okay, so right now I'm going to buy some textbooks. Here you can see the effects of rain. That it has rained a lot yesterday. So one thing that I have forgotten is my sunglasses because it's too much sunny outside and I have no sunglasses on. Yeah, it's difficult in the sun, but then we have to manage it. This is the safest place to vlog while cycling. We have made it to Amber and I have to collect the textbook from inside, so I'll meet you there. Many trees are broken due to the cyclone and yeah, it's not very great. So I'm parking my bicycle over here. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so I just bought all the books. It took me half an hour and I think more than half an hour. And look at the weather, man. It's so hazy. Feels so lethargic to be out at this weather. And one more thing, my bag feels like around 3-4 kilos, man. Like tons of books in the bag. Also, people watching me vlog makes me happy. So I bought this. And man, this is 35 rupees. Can you like... क्या है?
इसका यशी भी लग रहा है। यशी बॉय।
So So right now I am having this the bundle of the keys and it's really heavy to carry, man, like you can see. I have worn a cap like this after a very long time and I've worn it like this because I am going to ride a cycle and when the air comes it flows up and also my hairs are like grown up crazy, man, and I definitely need a haircut. My mom dad are like telling me day and night and go and have a haircut right now, but it's looking so shabby and messy. I like this kind of haircut but I'm thinking of chopping this hair from the sides so that it looks little groomed. Anyways, let's go. So now instead of riding with an Activa, I prefer to go with the electric cycle as it saves petrol as well as थोड़ी बहुत exercise हो ही जाती है इसमें. Even if it is electric, I don't drive it fully on electric, but then some pedal assist and then some electric when it is like a slope or something. So I drive it on electricity that time. But then yeah, this is the best option, like worth investment. Yeah, I have made a video on that electric cycle. You must check it. Yeah, so I'm back at home and it was really a big productive day. Also a very fun day because we did a lot of masti mazak, and then we studied a lot. So thoda bahut study, thoda bahut masti, and it was a great day. So also today is the WWDC event of Apple. I'm really confused that should I do a live stream kind of it, not streaming that, बट स्पेसिफिकली वो सीन होगा कि आई एम जस्ट यू नो स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के साथ द स्ट्रीम द इवेंट. आई एम रियली कन्फ्यूज अबाउट इट. लेट्स सी कि what plans are being made. Also, this part of my house has become the favorite part of me shooting over here. So I really love this part of the house to shoot, as it is like one of my favorite places. So now what the WWDC event is, that event is about, so basically a WWDC event hota hai, that is Apple introduces their brand new software, and उसमें they just introduce, they don't release it, and then वो developer beta, public beta सब start हो जाता है. So I thought why not share with you this information if you don't know, or if you know थोड़ा पक गए होगे, it's alright. So yes, I was just thinking about कि मैं उसको थोड़ा cover कर लेता हूँ. The people who are interested into tech, they would love to watch it, they would actually enjoy watching it, but then they also don't need me to, you know, they actually don't need me to stream that event, because they already know where they can see the official Apple ka event. Now this light is coming on my face, and I hope the focus is clear. So anyways guys, if you like this shorta sa video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Cheers till that.